How to back up WhatsApp business messages over here. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp business application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on settings. Then scroll down and then tap on chats over here. Now scroll down again and at the very end you can see the option of chat backup. So tap on chat backup and here you can see the option of backup. So just tap on backup and make sure that you have associated the Google account that you want to get all this backup on. Then tap on frequency and select on what basis or on how many days of basis you'd want your WhatsApp business messages to be backed up, from daily to weekly to monthly, never, or only when I tap backup. Then tap on can go back and then include videos. Then you can use backup using cellular and so on. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.